Alright guys, here is our fuel filter conversion kit. I'm just going to show a quick little install on our display engine. This is everything that comes in the box. You've got the line that runs to the CP3, the line that connects to the factory supply line, a couple of the adapter fittings, the plug for the test port. There's an extra O-ring for the water and fuel sensor, the adapter for the water and fuel sensor, and then obviously the mounting bolts. This is what it looks like when you unpackage it. So here's the factory setup. We've already got a couple of the pieces off. The factory supply line that runs to CP3 and into the bottom here, we've got that off already. But basically you're going to disconnect your factory line here, remove the return line, unplug that off of there. We're going to take the banjo bolts out of the back. Obviously that's normally held by the fuel rail, but not in this case. Then we've got 3 bolts here. This one, the one on this side, and then there's also usually one on the bottom here. So you're going to take not only the plastic housing off, but you're also taking the bracket off of the back here. This whole unit gets removed and replaced with this. So there you have the hard return lines back in place. Everything's bolted on. Reconnect that. So now we're going to take our adapters. One on that side. One on this side. The adapter for the water and fuel sensor. The plug for the test port. That does need to have some thread tape on it, as that's a pipe thread, not an O-ring thread. The line for the CP3. So here's what it looks like all installed. It's pretty simple. It's just direct replacement for the factory unit. The connection for the line coming from the tank. The new included 1/2-inch hose going to the CP3. The stainless fitting that we supply for the CP3. The water and fuel sensor. We do include an O-ring to replace that if needed. As long as the factory O-ring looks good, you'll be fine with that. And as you can see, all the factory hard return lines connect to the back of our filter head and on the front here. It's a pretty simple setup. Once it's installed, it's just a simple spin-on filter. Obviously that cat filter number will cross to tons of other filters. We just choose to supply it with a cat filter. We do have those available on our website for around 20 bucks, but you can replace it with any brand filter you'd like. But that's it. It's pretty simple, straightforward install. We appreciate your purchase.